Hey Gen X founders and operators! Are you feeling the pressure to keep up with the AI revolution, but struggling to find practical, actionable strategies that actually fit your busy schedule? I get it. The AI landscape is changing at warp speed, and it can feel overwhelming to integrate these powerful tools into your existing workflows without adding more to your already overflowing plate. But what if I told you there are simple, repeatable AI prompt systems that can transform your productivity, streamline your operations, and give you a significant competitive edge? I'm your Gen X AI prompt queen, and I've spent time distilling complex AI concepts into practical, easy-to-implement systems designed specifically for founders and operators like you. Today, I'm going to share 10 game-changing AI prompt systems that will help you leverage AI effectively without the overwhelm. And stick around, because I'll also reveal how you can get your hands on my exclusive prompt vault, packed with hundreds of ready-to-use prompts. First up, the Inbox Triage System. Problem: your inbox is a black hole of unread emails. Benefit: quickly categorize, prioritize, and draft responses, saving hours daily. Prompt skeleton: act as an executive assistant. Categorize the following emails into urgent, action, read later, and draft a 2-sentence response for urgent emails. Pro tip: specify the tone and length for drafted responses. Next, the SOP generator. Problem: documenting processes is tedious and time-consuming. Benefit: create clear, concise, standard operating procedures in minutes. Prompt skeleton: generate a detailed SOP for task name. Include steps, responsible parties, and required tools. Pro tip: provide a bulleted list of existing steps for AI to refine. Third, the meeting minutes summarizer. Problem: post-meeting follow-ups are often delayed or incomplete. Benefit: get instant, actionable summaries and assigned tasks. Prompt skeleton: summarize the following meeting transcript, highlighting key decisions, action items, and assigned owners. Pro tip: include the meeting agenda for better context. Fourth, the content idea generator. Problem: content creation often hits creative blocks. Benefit: generate endless ideas for blogs, social media, and marketing campaigns. Prompt skeleton: generate 10 blog post ideas about topic for a target audience, focusing on desired outcome. Pro tip: specify keywords and competitor analysis for more targeted ideas. Fifth, the customer persona builder. Problem: understanding your ideal customer is crucial, but time-consuming. Benefit: develop detailed customer personas quickly. Prompt skeleton: create a detailed customer persona for product/service. Include demographics, psychographics, pain points, and goals. Pro tip: feed the AI existing customer data or survey results. Sixth, the sales email personalizer. Problem: generic sales emails get ignored. Benefit: craft highly personalized, engaging emails that convert. Prompt skeleton: draft a personalized sales email to prospect name for product/service, addressing their pain point, and highlighting unique selling proposition. Pro tip: include LinkedIn profile snippets or company news for deeper personalization. Seventh, the market research analyst. Problem: gathering market insights is laborious. Benefit: quickly analyze trends, competitors, and industry landscapes. Prompt skeleton: analyze the market for product or service in region. Identify key competitors, market size, and emerging trends. Pro tip: specify data sources or types of reports you need. Eighth, the social media post creator. Problem: maintaining a consistent social media presence is demanding. Benefit: generate engaging posts for various platforms instantly. Prompt skeleton: create 3 social media posts for platform, about, topic. Include relevant hashtags and a call to action. Pro tip: provide a link to your blog post or article for AI to summarize. Ninth, the brainstorming partner. Problem: solo brainstorming can lead to limited ideas. Benefit: unlock diverse perspectives and innovative solutions. Prompt skeleton: act as a brainstorming partner. I need ideas for problem/opportunity, Ask me clarifying questions and suggest diverse solutions. Pro tip: engage in a dialogue with the AI, treating it as a true partner. Finally, the decision-making framework. Problem: complex decisions require structured analysis. Benefit: apply proven frameworks to make informed choices. Prompt skeleton: apply the decision-making framework, e.g., SWOT, Eisenhower matrix, to the following situation. Describe situation. Pro tip: clearly define your objectives and constraints for the AI. Many founders make the mistake of treating AI as a magic bullet, or worse, ignoring it completely. But AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you wield it. By adopting these systems, you're not just using AI, you're becoming an AI-powered operator, transforming your identity from overwhelmed to empowered. Which of these 10 systems are you most excited to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe for more actionable AI strategies. And don't forget comment AI Vault for the list of copy-paste AI prompts for your daily tasks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into advanced AI applications for business growth. See you there. Peace out.